Welcome! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the XW Fit application on your phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in XW Fit and tap on search. You should see this application, XW Fit. Tap on it and then tap on the install button to download and install the application. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on agree. Allow or deny the permission for the video. If you want to, you can allow it. If you want to deny it, deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Next we have location. Again, you can allow or deny this permission. Then we have the physical activity, call logs, and you can allow or deny any of these permissions. And once you're done, tap on confirm, and here you can basically allow the notification access for the app. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. So you need to tap on XW Fit on the list, tap on the switch next to allow notification access and tap on allow. And once you go back, you will be able to receive the notifications on your watch. Okay, once you're done with the permissions, you will see the data page of the app. Tap on the device icon, tap on add device, wait, the app will detect your watch after a couple of seconds, tap on it to select it, and after a second or two, the watch will be paired with your phone. Once you see the battery level right here, the name of the watch, and also it says synced, it means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.